Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a vehicle starting from rest, reaching at a speed of 86 kilometers per hour. It takes 11 seconds to reach this speed. Would the amount of energy transferred to the vehicle change if it was accelerated to the same speed in just 6 seconds? Summary: work done is the same, power is different. What does that mean? Okay, so we will go through the formulas. So mass is approximately energy. Of course, you multiply by speed of light squared as well. Now, force is mass times acceleration. Since the vehicle's mass stays the same, the force stays the same. So that means force multiplied by the distance traveled when it accelerates. That means the work is the same. Now, power, on the other hand, is work multiplied by time. So the difference in time is going to change. So even though the work is the same because the mass is the same, the time is different, so the power will be different. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're never using snipping tool before, you can follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So go to your taskbar, click on the icon. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and then type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen, hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find something that's not right in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.